Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MG Manjari. Are you looking for a respected teaching job with good salary and reputed school brand? Then this video is very important for you. DAV Public School has released its teacher vacancy notification for academic session 26-27, and the best part is salary as per 7th pay commission norms. So now let's see in detail. So first vacancy is for PGT Mathematics. One vacancy. Qualification required is MSc in Mathematics or MA in Mathematics, MA Statistics or Operation Research. All these vacancies are there, and also you should have 2-year teaching experience at senior secondary level. You also should have B.Ed. Second vacancy is for PGT Accountancy and Business Studies. Total number of vacancy is 2. Qualification required is MCom and BCom with 2 years of experience in CBSE school and B.Ed. Next vacancy is for PGT English. One vacancy. Qualification required is MA in English with 2 years of experience in senior secondary level and B.Ed. Next vacancy is for PGT/TGT Painting. One vacancy is there. Qualification required is master degree in fine art and 2 years of experience in CBSE school. Next vacancy is for PGT Computer Science. One vacancy. Qualification required is MSc Computer Science, MCA or MTech. You also should have B.Ed and 2 years of experience in CBSE school. Next vacancy is for PGT Biology. One vacancy. Qualification required is MSc Botany, MSc Zoology with B.Ed and 2 years of teaching experience in CBSE school. Next vacancy is PGT Chemistry. One vacancy. Qualification required is MSc Chemistry with B.Ed and 2 years of teaching experience in CBSE school. Next, PGT Hindi. One vacancy. Qualification MA in Hindi with B.Ed and 2 years of experience in CBSE school. Next, TGT English. 2 vacancies are there. Qualification required is postgraduate in English with B.Ed, and you also should have 1 year of teaching experience at secondary level with CTET. Even state TET is also allowed. Then same way TGT Hindi. 2 vacancy. MA in Hindi and BA in Hindi with B.Ed or BLEd. Then you should have 1 year of experience and CTET or state TET. Then TGT Sanskrit. 1 post. MA in Sanskrit with B.Ed, 1 year of experience in CBSE school and CTET level 2. Then TGT Mathematics. 2 vacancy. MSc Mathematics with B.Ed and 1 year of experience in CBSE school with CTET. Then TGT Health and Wellness Counselor. 1 post. Postgraduate in Psychology or postgraduate in Child Development with minimum 1 year of experience as a health and wellness teacher, and you also should have experience in CBSE school. Candidate posing diploma in career guidance will be preferred. Then PRT Special Educator, postgraduate in one subject: English, History, Geography, Computer Science, Biology, Mathematics or Economics, and you should have B.Ed or B.Ed in Special Education or Diploma in Special Education. Next, PRT English. 1 post. Postgraduate in English with B.Ed or BLEd. Then you also should have 1 year of teaching experience with CTET level 1. State TET is also allowed. Next, PRT Mathematics. 1 post. Same, postgraduate in Mathematics with B.Ed, 1 year of experience in CBSE school, CTET level 1. Next, PRT Science. 1 postgraduate in Physics, Chemistry or Geology with Mathematics or Computer Science, Physics or chemistry with B.Ed, and you also should have 1 year of teaching experience in CBSE school with CTET level 1. PRT social science 1 vacancy. Postgraduate in geography, history, economics, political science with geography, history or economics as one of the subject with B.Ed, 1 year of teaching experience in CBSE school and CTET level 1. Then PRT Hindi 1 web post, MA in Hindi with B.Ed or BLEd with 1 year of teaching experience at CBSE school and CTET level 1. Then PRT Sanskrit 1 post, MA in Sanskrit with B.Ed, then 1 year of teaching experience in CBSE school, state TET or CTET level 1. Next, PRT Computer Science 1 post, MS in Computer Science, MCA or MTech with B.Ed or BLEd and 1 year of teaching experience with CTET level 1. Then NTT or pre-primary teacher, female candidate only, 4 posts are there. Graduation, you should have candidate with post-graduation from this university will be preferred. Then you should have NTT of 2 year or JBT or B.Ed, BLEd, DLEd. You should have with 1 year of teaching experience and CTET level 1. State TET is also allowed. Then PRT Music 1, MA in Music or BA in Music or postgraduate diploma in Music. Then LDC 1 post, postgraduate or graduate in English, Computer Science, Economics with minimum 50%. You should have working knowledge of Windows, MS Office or IT based application for noting or drafting and typing. Then LDC Accounts 1 post, MCOM or BCom with working knowledge of Tally, Window, MS Office or IT based application. Next, Lab Assistant 1 for Chemistry and Biology Lab, graduation in Chemistry or postgraduate in Chemistry. Then Lab Assistant 1 post for Computer Science and Physics, graduation in Computer Science or Physics. Now let's see this vacancy is for which school. So this vacancy is for DAV Public School, Bina project, Sonbhadra, UP. Now let us see the salary. So as per this advertisement, they are going to pay you the regular post as per 7th pay commission and allowance as per DAV norms. Means for minimum salary will be 60,000 for PRT, and as you go to PGT it will be around 1 lakh of salary. Now one more thing, only the candidate who has qualified CBT test are eligible to apply for this post. Then age limit for PGT it's 40 years and for all other posts it is 35 years. Now let us see how to apply. For applying you need to download the application form from school website. This is the school website, davpsbina.in. You need to completely fill all that. Then self-attested copy of certificate, testimonial, academic qualification and experience all with a recent passport size photograph should be sent through speed post to this address. The principal, DAV Public Senior Secondary School, Bina project, district Sonbhadra, UP. And you can mail also to this latest by 12th March. If your date is already over, then your application will not be entertained. An application without proof of qualification or experience will be rejected. So this is the official website of school, davpsbina.in. If you see in the notice board, here you will get all the advertisement, like advertisement is here. So now what you can do, you can click on view all. So now let's click on view all. Now as you can see here, it's clearly written detailed advertisement. So an application form is also there. So you just download. This advertisement was released on 26th Feb 2026. That's all for today's video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like it, hype it, share it with your friends and subscribe for regular update. We'll meet in another video with some more interesting information for you. Till then, goodbye, keep learning.